Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hotly Trending. If you're new here, this channel is your go-to guide for crypto opportunities, airdrops, and testnet guides to help you earn big with $0 investment. Today, we'll be looking at Functor Network. So Functor Network is developed by Security Labs. It's an innovative project that combines artificial intelligence with blockchain technology, provides an autonomy layer for AI agents, allowing them to operate with increased expressiveness and independence while maintaining verifiability and structure. So this project has officially launched an airdrop program, giving early adopters the chance to earn rewards. So click on the link to join Functor node, then click the link to download the node and add it to your Chrome web browser. From there, you click on login, so it takes you back to the node. So you choose your login method. You can see Security Labs Lite node version 1.10.235.0.0.0. You can either choose to log in via email, or you can choose to connect your wallet. So I chose obviously email. So you input your email, then you input your password, then you input yes. Do you accept the terms? Then you verify your email with the code. Once that is done, it automatically logs you in. So you can see my wallet is connected. So there you might see connect wallet. Then you connect your wallet. So you connect your MetaMask wallet. You can see accounts, referrals. You can see bonus, if you have any bonus, but most of this, the dashboard, I believe they're still working on it. So it's not showing most of the data that I believe it should be showing. So let's go to the node. Let's find the node in our extension. So from Chrome, you click on extensions, then you try to find the Functor node. Oh, I think I'm looking for this in the wrong place. Let me check again. So you scroll. Okay, now I found it. Functor node. So I pin it. This is why I like to pin some of these nodes. So you can see it shows offline. So you can click on check-in. So that I will okay, I'm here. Your node is wondering where are you. So now check-in. So when you click on check-in, so you just check in every 24 hours. So that is basically that. So once you've checked in, you can see current epoch, check-in strings, and then your connections. You can see all your activities. It's more like this. The vibe of this platform is more like this security platform. So just refer your friends to this also, because this project is very early, and this could position us preferably for the FUNC token, that's FUNC token. So thank you for watching this video. This comes to the end of this video. Please like. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment. I would like to hear from you, your feedback. What do you think about the perspective of this Functor network? Is it gonna cook? Is it not gonna cook? Please share this video, and most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.